Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to source for in-depth reviews of the best products on the market. Today, we've got something special for all you gardening enthusiasts out there. We're talking about the best potting soil for onions, and it's none other than the Espoma Organic Potting Soil Mix. Stick around, because we're about to dig deep into what makes this soil a top choice for onion growers. So, let's kick things off by introducing the star of the show, the Espoma Organic Potting Soil Mix. If you're looking to grow onions, you'll want a potting mix that delivers exceptional results. This product, available on Amazon, is specifically designed for both indoor and outdoor use, making it versatile for all your onion growing needs. Now, what sets this potting soil apart from the rest? Let's delve into its key features. First off, it's incredibly versatile. Whether you're growing onions in pots, containers, or even in your garden, this soil has got you covered. It's not just for onions. It's perfect for a wide range of vegetables, herbs, and flowers. What's more, it's 100% organic. This soil mix boasts a rich blend of organic ingredients, including sphagnum, peat moss, humus, and perlite. Plus, it's enriched with earthworm castings, alfalfa meal, kelp meal, and feather meal. No synthetic plant foods or chemicals here. It's pure, natural goodness. But wait, there's more. This potting mix contains a proprietary blend of endo and ecto mycorrhizae, known as mycotone. Mycorrhizae are beneficial fungi that form a symbiotic relationship with plant roots, enhancing nutrient uptake and overall plant health. It's like giving your onions a secret weapon for growth. Now, let's talk practicality. Users have praised this product for being lightweight, easy to use, and easy to spread. It's designed to make your gardening experience a breeze. So, there you have it, folks, the Espoma Organic Potting Soil Mix. It's not just a potting soil, it's a secret weapon for your onions and other plants. With its organic ingredients, mycorrhizae blend, and ease of use, it's no wonder it has earned its place as the best potting soil for onions. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this product is worth considering. If you want to get your hands on it, you can find it on Amazon. We've left a link in the description below for your convenience. That's a wrap for today's episode of Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful product reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or if you've used this potting soil yourself, share your experiences in the comment section. We'd love to hear from you.